Let's begin the story. Yeah, the story. The story which need to be continued, and it will continue from here. The same story which I have left. Important commission and committees. This what was I was discussing is important commission and committees. I have gone through Sarkaria committee. Later on, I discussed some sample of questions, ideology and the questions in the video. Now it's time for the next. So in this video I am also continuing the same lecture which I have left. So this is about important commission and committees, and here is the video. Now it's on. Dhar Commission, SK Dhar 1947-48. Recognition of states should not be on the basis of language. Dhar Commission, it says that the recognition of the states should not be on the basis of language. So on the basis of language, recognition of states should not be. That is said by Dhar Commission, and it is 1947-48. That is the Dhar Commission. Now the JVP Committee, Jawaharlal Nehru Vallabhbhai Patel Pitabhi Sitaramaiya. This committee, JVP Committee, Jawaharlal Nehru Vallabhbhai Patel and Pitabhi Sitaramaiya Committee, says that national security, unity and economic development should be taken into account while recognizing the states. What it says that national security, unity, economic development should be taken into account while recognizing the state. What things should be taken into account? National security, unity and economic development. National security, unity and economic development. These three things. Now next is State Recognition Committee. Syed Faisal Ali, Hriday Nath Kanjuru, K.M. Panikkar, 1956. State Recognition Commission, Syed Faisal Ali, Hriday Nath Kanjuru, K.M. Panikkar, 1956. The lingual base was adapted for the recognition of the states. On the same basis, an act, the State Recognition Act, was enacted. Hriday Nath Kanjuru, K.M. Panikkar, 1956. Syed Faisal Ali, State Recognition Commission. The lingual base was adopted for the recognition of the state. On the same basis, an act, the State Reorganization Act, was enacted. State Reorganization Act was enacted. This was State Reorganization Commission. Syed Faisal Ali, Hriday Nath Kanjuru, K.M. Panikkar, 1956. Now next is Public Account Committee, 22 members, 15 Lok Sabha and 7 Rajya Sabha. This is State Recognition Commission. This is Public Account Committee, 22 members, 15 Lok Sabha and 7 Rajya Sabha. This is Public Accounts Committee, 22 members, 15 Lok Sabha and 7 Rajya Sabha. It examines the public account of the Government of India and the reports of Controller and Auditor General of India. Reports of the Controller and Auditor General of the India. Public Account of Government of India. Public Account Committee, 22 members, 15 Lok Sabha and 7 Rajya Sabha. It ascertains whether the public money has been spent as authorized by Parliament. It ascertains whether the public money has been spent as authorized by Parliament. Public Account Committee. Now the next is the Estimate Committee, 30-member Lok Sabha. The committee also suggests the alternative policy in order to bring about efficiency and economy in administration. The Estimate Committee